What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be pranking some people because I'm a puppet and I look kind of scary. I'm gonna be hiding in a closet and someone will probably get the stuff and I'll go boo and it will scare them. So let's see if it works. Okay guys, I'm at the closet and now I'm gonna get into it. Okay guys, now I'm gonna open the door. So down low here. Okay, let's go. Now I'm gonna wait for somebody to come. Hey guys, I'm just gonna grab some juice. What is that? Ah! And that's how you scare people. Well, I don't think he's okay, but hey, are you okay? No, I don't think he's okay.